Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar today. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to bring you the expert panelists and their thoughts. I'm hoping that you find this session from our experts useful and worth pondering. Before we do that, I wanted to take a few minutes to give you the background about Sangopan, our mission and vision, and also something about motherhood. I'm Tejashri Joshi, and I'm the founder CEO of Sangopan. I'm also a mother of two beautiful daughters. Um, Let me tell you a little bit about my own experiences as a mother and how it helped me help other women in their motherhood journey. I have stayed in 7 cities in a nuclear family, like most of us these days. And both my daughters were born in different cities. I unfortunately also had three miscarriages in between my two daughters. My faith in the holistic approach of health and wellness and the traditional practices of Ayurveda and home remedies with which we have grown up, those combined with adopting the best of modern medical practices has helped me greatly in my motherhood journey. This faith and my experiences inspired me to start Sangopan soon after the birth of my second daughter. And it started with just one simple service of uh, providing postnatal Ayurvedic massage service. But as I worked with hundreds and then thousands of mothers, I found that mothers need help in so many areas, and they need guidance in areas like lactation, nutrition, exercise, how to take care of themselves, their babies, and not just their physical health, but also their emotional and spiritual health and well-being. So we evolved ourselves and started providing counseling, coaching, and consultation services along with the physical therapy services. We are in a hyper connected world today. There is a ton of information out there on the internet, and yet the very nature of the journey of motherhood is such that the information by itself cannot help you reduce the anxieties or cannot address all the specific queries. So in addition to the consultation services, what we take pride in is the hand holding necessary to every mother, the personalized guidance that takes into account her circumstances, her unique needs, and her situation and context. This is all anchored to the two very important principles: the holistic approach to health and an empathy towards the mother that is personalized through our Sangopan Sakhi, our counselors. While my formal title is CEO, that is the Chief Executive Officer, I like to think of myself as the Chief Empathy Officer for Sangopan, taking care of the women and mothers and babies whom we serve. This is how I like to think of myself. But whenever you think of your parenthood journey, think about us as your guardian angel who will always be there for you, to handhold you, and be there with you every step of the way. Thank you again for making time for this webinar. And now I request our experts to go ahead with their topic today. Namaskar.